If someone told you that with the cost of a cell phone you could build your own food factory from your home kitchen, you probably wouldn't believe them. I didn't believe it either. But when you see what these machines produce and how much each thing sells for, everything changes completely. And the best part is that you can get them on Amazon or Alibaba without even leaving your house. Today I'm bringing you 15 food machines that people are using to start businesses from home. And I'm going to tell you exactly how. And let me tell you something, these are not the same machines you see everywhere. I spent time searching for them one by one, they are new, and we haven't repeated them here on the channel. And when you see number 15, you're going to tell me I'm crazy. But wait until you see the numbers. I'm leaving all of them with their links in the description so you can check them out yourself. Machine 1. Sausage and cured meat making machine. Let's start with a simple truth. Sausage sells all year round, everywhere, and people never get tired of it. Barbecues, breakfasts, lunches, fairs. It's one of those products that has constant demand, and that's where the money is. This automatic machine takes the already seasoned meat and stuffs it into the casing, twisting it and cutting it into identical sausages one after another, without you having to do it by hand. It is one of the most serious machines on this list. You can find it on Alibaba for around $1,700 with European certification, designed to produce real volume. Listen closely to the business. A kilo of handmade sausage can easily sell for between $6 and $10, with a production cost that is only a fraction of that. There are artisanal sausage producers with smoked flavors or gourmet versions who are making between $2,000 and $4,000 a month selling through home delivery, at fairs, or through orders from restaurants. It's a product with the kind of margins that make you fall in love. But the next one costs 1/10 of this machine and turns something as simple as a banana into bags of money. Yes, exactly what you heard. Machine 2. Banana chips making machine. Did you know that one of the snacks selling the most today in markets, health stores, and fairs is banana chips? What used to be a small-town snack is now a trend, and almost nobody is producing it seriously. This machine does exactly that. It cuts bananas and also potatoes into very thin and perfectly even slices, ready to be fried or dehydrated. It's compact, easy to use, and here comes the best part for your wallet. You can get it on Alibaba for about $170, one of the cheapest machines in the entire video. And now the numbers, which are the part that makes you fall in love. With just a few kilos of bananas, which cost very little, you can make dozens of bags, and each one sells for between $1 and $2. The production cost is extremely low. There are people who, with their own handmade snack brand sold through social media and neighborhood stores, are making between $1,500 and $3,000 a month with something as simple as this. And if you think frying is too much work, wait, because the next one makes money without frying absolutely anything. Hey, before moving on to the next one, let me ask you for a quick favor. We are extremely close to reaching the 100,000 subscriber plaque, that dream we've been chasing for a long time, and you can help us make it happen. If you're enjoying these machines, hit the subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us tremendously to keep bringing you ideas like these. Alright, now let's continue. Machine 3. Oil press machine. Listen to this, because it's one of the smartest ones on the list. More and more people are running away from industrial oils and looking for natural cold-pressed oils without chemicals. They are willing to pay more for them, and this machine produces them right in your own home. The oil press takes seeds and nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, almonds, coconut, and extracts the oil from them using pure pressure, without solvents or anything strange. You can find it on Amazon for around $260, it can make up to several kilos per hour, and it is operated with a simple control panel. And here is the magic of the business. Handmade, cold-pressed, and well-presented oil sells at a premium price, several times higher than what regular oil costs. The raw material is cheap, and the final product is perceived as gourmet. There are artisanal oil producers selling through custom orders and to health food stores who are generating very good money every month, precisely because it is a niche that very few people are serving. But the next one produces something that practically sells itself among kids and in any fast food business. Machine 4. Nugget and croquette making machine. Think for a moment about how many nuggets are eaten every day in your city. In homes, at children's parties, at fast food stands. It is a product with huge and constant demand, and very few people are manufacturing it to sell wholesale. This machine takes the mixture, whether it is chicken, vegetables, or cheese, shapes it into nuggets or croquettes, and leaves it ready to fry or freeze, producing hundreds of units per hour with a professional finish. It is one of the industrial ones on this list. You can find it on Alibaba, and its capacity is for someone who wants to produce seriously, not just in small amounts. Listen closely to where the money is. Each nugget costs only cents in ingredients and sells for much more when packaged in trays or combos. The real business is selling them frozen, with your own brand, to stores, restaurants, and directly to families who want to keep their freezer stocked. There are people with their own branded frozen products moving very interesting numbers every month, because this is the kind of customer who, when they like it, comes back to order again and again. And now that we're on a roll, I want you to do something quick for yourself before we continue. Stop what you're doing for a second and go down to the comments. I want you to write this phrase: "My own factory from home will be a success." Actually write it, because what we put into words is the first thing we start to believe, and this could be your first step. Did you write it already? Perfect. Then let's continue, because we still have some really good machines left, including the last one, which is one of those that almost nobody knows about. Machine 5, fresh pasta and noodle making machine. $1,500, $2,000, even $3,000 a month. That is what some handmade fresh pasta producers are moving, and the craziest part is what it is made of: flour and egg, cents per serving. That is the secret Italian restaurants do not shout out loud, because fresh pasta costs almost nothing, but on the plate, it sells like a premium delicacy. This electric machine, which you can get on Amazon for about $125, does all the work. It kneads, rolls, and cuts in different thicknesses, producing spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna sheets, and even dough for ravioli or wontons with just the press of a button. You do not need to be a chef. And who do you sell it to? To restaurants that want fresh pasta without making it themselves, and to customers who pay more for handmade packages with your brand. Because dry pasta from the supermarket competes on price, fresh pasta is sought by people who want something special. But the next one produces one of the most expensive products in any bakery, and almost nobody knows it can be made at home. Machine 6, Croissant. Sheeter machine. Have you seen the price of a good croissant in a coffee shop? $1 or $2 for a piece that costs barely cents in flour and butter. Now multiply that by how many they sell in a single morning, and you'll understand why croissants are one of the highest margin products in the entire bakery business. The secret to a good croissant comes down to one thing: sheeting the dough into thin, perfect layers. That step that is slow and frustrating by hand. This machine does it for you, leaving the sheet ready to cut and roll. And it's not only useful for croissants, it also makes dough for pizza, bread, and cookies, so it is several things in one. You can find it on Amazon for about $360. Selling to coffee shops, through social media, and at fairs, there are pastry makers making very good money because people associate croissants with something refined and pay for them without thinking twice. A product that is humble in cost, premium in price. And if baking is not your thing, the next one is pure speed and sells directly to businesses. Machine 7, vegetable cutting machine. Cutting vegetables. Sounds like the most boring thing in the world, right? Well, that boring thing makes every restaurant, every cafeteria, and every food stand in your city lose hours every single day. And where there is a repeated headache, there is someone willing to pay to get rid of it. That's where you come in with this commercial cutter. It processes up to hundreds of pounds per hour, slices, shreds, and cuts almost any vegetable into sticks. And it comes with a conveyor belt to feed in long items like celery or green onions nonstop. It costs about $370 on Amazon. The beautiful thing about this business is that you do not sell once, you sell all the time. You deliver already cut vegetables, ready to cook, to restaurants and food stands that use them every day. Lock in several steady clients, and you have income that repeats month after month, without depending on just one sale. You can also put together salad trays or vegetable combos for delivery. Quickly, before we continue, if you're taking notes on these machines, subscribe so you don't miss any of the ones still coming, because they are really good. Alright, let's keep going. Machine 8, Kibby and filled food making machine. Most people have never seen this machine in their lives, and that is exactly why it is a goldmine. It makes Kibby, those Middle Eastern rolls filled with seasoned meat that sell for a high price in Middle Eastern restaurants, and that almost nobody is producing to sell frozen. By hand, making Kibby is extremely slow and requires years of practice to make them come out even. This machine forms the dough, fills it, and seals it into identical pieces, hundreds or even thousands per hour. And as an extra detail, it does not only make Kibby, it also works for steamed buns and even mochi, several machines in one. You can get it on Alibaba for around $1,100. Here, the money lives in exclusivity. Since it is a specialized product with very little competition, people pay well for it. You sell frozen Kibby ready to fry to Middle Eastern restaurants, ethnic food stores, and families through custom orders. And by offering something that few people know how to produce, you do not compete on price. You compete by being the only one. And now that we are halfway through, pay close attention, because what comes next is going to interest you. Machine 9, cold pressed juice extractor. Look around you and you'll notice something. People are obsessed with healthy living. Detox juices, ginger shots, antioxidant green drinks. They pay $3, $4, even $5 for a little cup, and they buy it every day as if it were medicine. There is a river of money flowing there, and this machine is the key. Unlike a regular juicer, this extractor works with cold pressure, slowly and without generating heat, which preserves the color, flavor, and all the nutrients of the fruit and vegetables. That is exactly what the health-conscious customer is looking for and what they pay more for. It processes everything from carrots and beets to celery, ginger, or apples, and you can find it on Amazon for about $150, compact and suitable for any kitchen. The smart move here is to sell by subscription, weekly detox juice packages delivered to people's homes, or antioxidant shots by custom order. A steady customer who orders juices from you every week is worth gold because it is income that repeats on its own. That is why many healthy juice entrepreneurs, selling through social media and subscriptions, are making very good money month after month with a product that practically sells itself online because of how visual it is. By the way, I'm leaving all the machines I'm showing you with their links in the description, so you can check them out yourself and compare prices without leaving your house. And let me tell you something, pay very close attention when we get to the last one, number 15, because it is one of those machines that almost nobody knows about, and you're going to be surprised by what can be done with it. But we're not there yet, so let's keep going. Machine 10, Kebab Skewer Making Machine. Have you ever assembled skewers by hand for a barbecue? It is extremely slow. Skewering cube after cube of meat onto the stick takes forever, and that is exactly what slows down food stands and grill businesses when demand is high. This machine solves that bottleneck in one shot. What would take you an entire afternoon, it does in minutes. It makes between 1,800 and 2,000 skewers per hour, all identical even, and ready for the grill. It accepts round, oval, or rectangular meat, and you can get it on Alibaba for about $650, one of the most accessible among the serious machines in this video. And here is the business that few people see. It is not just about selling them grilled. The big money is in producing raw and marinated skewers, packaged and ready to cook, and supplying grill restaurants, food trucks, fairs, and supermarkets. Imagine becoming the regular skewer supplier for several businesses in your city. They buy from you every week, and you produce in minutes what would take them hours. That type of recurring customer is what turns a $600 machine into steady income. But the next one takes the most common and cheapest food in the world and turns it into a money-making machine, literally. Machine 11, Industrial Potato Peeler. The potato, the most humble and cheapest food that exists. And yet, behind that simplicity, there is one of the most consistent businesses you can imagine, because everyone eats potatoes, fried, baked, mashed, in chips. The problem has always been one thing. Peeling them is a headache that consumes hours. This industrial peeler puts an end to that. You put the potatoes in, the drum spins, the friction removes the skin, and they come out clean in seconds, up to 100 or 200 kilos per hour. You can find it on Alibaba for about $980. Where is the profit? In selling potatoes already ready to use. Bags of peeled and cut potatoes, ready to fry, to restaurants, fried food shops, and fast food stands that do not want to waste time peeling. A well-presented bag sells for several dollars, and the cost of potatoes is extremely low. Whoever supplies several food businesses with ready-to-use potatoes turns a product that costs cents into a margin that surprises you month after month because those customers order every day. Machine 12, Gummy Making Machine. Gummies are one of the best-selling candies on the planet, but there is one detail almost nobody takes advantage of. Handmade gummies with unusual flavors, fun shapes, or adult versions sell for very high prices, and people look for them like crazy on social media. And it turns out that making them at home is extremely easy. This little machine practically does it by itself. You pour in the ingredients, press a button, and in 14 minutes you have fresh gummies without stirring or watching the stove. It comes with its silicone molds included, and best of all is the price. You can get it on Amazon for about $85. One of the cheapest machines in the entire video, and one of the most fun. With such a small investment, the margin is huge. The ingredients cost cents, and a well-presented little bag sells for several dollars, especially if you make themed gummies for parties, gifts, or personalized details. It is one of those products that sells itself when you record the process on TikTok, because watching the gummies form is hypnotic. Hey, and if you've made it this far, it's because you are truly interested in starting a business. So, do me a favor. Hit subscribe and turn on the little bell. That way you'll know when we release the second part of this video, because there are many more food machines that were left out. Alright, let's keep going. Machine 13, Sushi Roll Making Machine. Sushi is one of those products where people pay a lot, and the cost of the ingredients is surprisingly low. Rice, seaweed, a little filling. The problem has always been that assembling it and cutting it well requires years of practice, and that is where most people give up before even starting. This machine erases that barrier. It cuts the rolls into perfect pieces of the same size without crushing or deforming the filling, giving you a professional presentation that normally only an experienced chef can achieve. And it does not stop at sushi. It also cuts cheese, ham, bananas, and cured meats, so you can take advantage of it in several ways. You can find it on Amazon for about $1,200. With this, you can set up a sushi takeout, catering, or delivery business without needing to be a chef. You sell trays for events, offer sushi by custom order, or supply small local businesses. Since every roll leaves a good margin and sushi never goes out of style, there are people with constant orders and events generating very attractive income every month, with a product that people perceive as gourmet and pay for as gourmet. Machine 14. Yogurt Cup Sealing Machine. I'm going to show you a machine that does not make food, but something just as important. Professional presentation. Because homemade yogurt served in a sealed cup with its perfect lid stops looking homemade and starts looking like a branded product you can charge more for. The sealing machine hermetically seals small cups of yogurt, drinks, sauces, or creams with a clean and professional heat seal in seconds. You can get it on Alibaba for about $530, and it works with all kinds of small containers. Here, the business is not just the product, it is the trust the packaging communicates. An artisanal yogurt, oatmeal, juice, or sealed cream looks safe, hygienic, and ready to sell in stores, schools, offices, or through custom orders. That seal is what allows you to raise the price and compete head-to-head with the big brands. Combine it with several of the machines we already saw, juices, gummies, and you turn what you make at home into a product line that looks like a serious brand. We've reached the last one, and believe me, I saved it for the end for a reason. Of all the machines you saw today, this is the one almost nobody imagines they could have at home. The one that produces one of the most consumed foods in the world and that people buy every single week without fail. If you stayed until this point, this is your reward. Pay attention. Machine 15. Fresh Cheese Making Machine. Think about how much cheese is consumed in your house every week. Now multiply that by every house on your block, in your neighborhood, in your city. Cheese is one of those foods that is never missing from the table, that people buy again and again, and that almost nobody imagines they can produce at home. That is why this machine is the jewel of the list. It is a small production line that handles the entire process. It pasteurizes the milk, curdles it, and gives you fresh cheese, mozzarella, or cottage cheese with professional quality and consistent production. It comes in different sizes depending on how much you want to produce, and you can find it on Alibaba starting at about $625. For everything it does, it is an investment that is surprisingly accessible. And here is why I saved it for the end. Artisanal fresh cheese has brutal demand and a beautiful margin. Milk is relatively cheap, and the finished cheese, well presented and with your brand, sells very well in neighborhood stores, markets, restaurants, and through direct custom orders to families. It is a daily consumption product, not an occasional craving. So the customer who buys from you once comes back every week. There are artisanal cheese producers who, by supplying several fixed points of sale, are generating very serious income month after month, precisely because they sell something people always need, not just once in a while. That is the difference between a trendy business and a real business. And those were the 15 food machines that regular people are using today to build their own business from home. Machines that almost nobody knows about, that fit in a kitchen, and that produce things people buy every single day. The question is no longer whether it can be done, because you already saw that it can. The question is which one you are going to choose, and that is exactly what I want you to tell me. Out of all these machines, which one caught your attention the most, the one you felt you would actually put to work? Write it in the comments, because I love reading them. If this video brought you value and you want to help us keep creating them, you can invite us for a little coffee through the Super Thanks option down below. It is a small gesture that means a lot to us. And if you are still not subscribed to Successful Entrepreneur, this is the moment to join this community of people who decided to stop dreaming and start building. Before you go, I'm leaving you this other video here that you're going to love. See you, blessings, and see you soon.